Hey everyone, Kaveh from Latchkey. I'm going to walk you through the Latchkey dashboard overview page. This is your command center for your GitHub Actions. It gives you a snapshot of your CI/CD health, performance, and costs all in one place. Let's dive in. Before we look at the data, let me quickly highlight the filters at the very top. You can filter by date range to zoom into specific time periods, whether you want to see the last 7 days or any other custom range. You can also filter by specific repositories and workflows if you want to focus on a particular part of all your code bases. All the widgets on this page will update based on your filter selections, so you can drill into exactly what you need. On the left, you have a health badge that shows good, warning, or critical, depending on how many optimization issues are outstanding. Below that, you'll see those insights broken down by priority, high, medium, and low, so you know exactly what to tackle first. The larger card gives you the full picture. The total count of insights is on the left. The pie chart breaks them down by category, cost, performance, reliability, and security. And on the right, you can see what you stand to gain. Potential cost savings, minutes of build time you could reclaim, plus counts of security and platform improvements. It's a quick way to gauge how much room you have to optimize. Next up is pipeline performance. This row starts with the workflow health gauge, showing you your overall success rate as a percentage. The next two widgets show simple counts, how many repositories and workflows you're currently monitoring with Latchkey. Now here's an important one, mean time to recover, or MTTR. This measures the average time it takes to go from a failed workflow run to a successful one. It's a key DevOps metric. A lower MTTR means your team recovers from failures quickly, which indicates healthy CI/CD practices. Below that row, you have the workflow health summary card, which gives you a table view of key metrics, total runs, average duration, fail rate, and cancel rate. Now, finally, the failed deployments card show you your total failure count and highlights the most failing workflows so you know exactly where to focus your debugging efforts. The last section is cost analysis, and there's an important concept to understand here. The first card shows theoretical cost. This is what your GitHub Action usage would cost if you had no free tier minutes. We display this because it gives you the true picture of your consumption patterns. Below the number, you'll see a week-over-week trend showing if your top costs are going up or down. The highest spend card ranks your top 3 repositories by theoretical cost, so you can quickly identify your most expensive pipelines. On the right, we have 3 stacked metrics. Forecasted billable costs by the end of your billing cycle. This is your actual projected bill. Below that, free tier minutes remaining and free minutes used this cycle. GitHub gives you a pool of free minutes each month, and those metrics will help you track where you stand. At the bottom, the cost over time chart visualizes your daily billable costs. That's the actual amount after free tier is applied. You can click the expand icon to see this chart in full screen with the filters available right there. And that's the overview page, your single pane of glass for GitHub Actions health, performance, and costs. From here, you can click into any of the section headers to drill deeper into insights, performance, or cost analysis. Thank you for watching.